No, not an A86. I know it has the pop-up lights and it looks sort of similar, but no. This is a 1989 Toyota Celica GTS. To keep it short, this car has a 2-liter engine, twin cam, known as the 3SGE. You might have heard that name from, you know, things like the known Beams engine or the MR2 turbo. This is the exact same engine, just without the turbo. It makes 136 horsepower at 6.8 thousand RPM. That is not huge on paper, but when you consider the fact that it's only 2,500 pounds, it really turns out to be a blast to drive. So we picked up this car in Seattle, and we drove it down that weekend, you know, through Portland and Northern California. So we took some footage and we wanted you guys to check it out. It's an amazing view the whole time, and it was a really fun time to drive the Celica, you know, down the hills, the windy roads and all that stuff. So, you know, take a look at the video, you know, and just here's the footage. Enjoy it.
Here we are. It's 6:25 a.m. It's pretty cold. Here's the car. We'll see if it starts. Check levels, water, oil, and then we'll get on the road. It's probably like a good 30 degrees. It's pretty cold. We started well. Just gonna let it sit for a little bit so that it warms up. The temperature seems to be down. That's alright. We're good on oil. It went from exactly halfway to say about 10% lower, so I'm really not concerned about oil. Good thing is I have the oil pressure meter. And then the fan for the interior, meaning this one right here, doesn't necessarily work. If you have this open, it will, you know, when you're moving, air will come in, but otherwise, it's not true. And then the good thing is the defroster at the rear is working well, and then headlights are doing their work. So we're all happy. We're all ready to go. Just gonna let it sit for another minute, and then we'll get started with the trip. We got 12 hours to go today. It's 6:54, and let's see what time we get home. So here we go. It's look at that sunrise. You got all the sun over there. I don't know if you guys can see it. I'm driving, and the windy roads. You know, it's just makes up for a really good time in the Celica. Empty road. It's 7 a.m. Sun's coming out, and look at that! My goodness. So it's got the new car. You know, driving from Seattle to California. It's a Toyota Celica 1989. Best part, it has pop-up lights. Let me show you. Click, there it is. You know, they work. Everything's good. You know, there it is. And let me give it a quick pull because I'm on the highway and can take advantage of that. So I'm gonna get to 60 miles an hour. That's fourth. I'm going to third. All of a sudden, we enter a mountain with trees and snow. Really nice. Really, really nice. Seems to be nobody on the road. Going at 17 miles an hour. Wow, look at that at the end.
So there you have it. That's our new Toyota Celica GTS. It's a neat looking car in my opinion. I mean, there's a reason why I bought it. But, you know, it has a lot of work to be done. A lot of electrical issues, like you can see in the video. You know, and just things like that. Things need to be restored. It has 191,000 miles, so it's to be expected in a car that is about, you know, 30 or more years old. So, you know, the plan for this car will be number one, restoration, getting everything to be working the way it did in 1989, and then, you know, some tasteful mods to get it to a slightly aggressive look while keeping the originality. You know, the ultimate goal is to get this car to be my perfect daily driver. So we're talking to things just like wheels, suspension, exhaust, you know, very things that make it a comfortable ride, and something that we can beat the crap out of it every single day so that we can have a good time. Hey guys, say hi to Maya. This is our big girl over here. It's her garage. So if you guys are liking our videos, like and subscribe, and, you know, show your friends. I know Maya will appreciate it. Right, Maya?
Like, comment, subscribe.
Big Girls Garage.